Hello, hello. It's August 13th, and I'm here at the University of Iceland in Thor's lab, and I've been going through the samples from yesterday and labeled them. They have to dry a little bit now. So here we have the samples. Each of them has a little name. And I will quickly run through them. This is partly a record for me in order to make sure that everything is correct, and also, of course, for people on YouTube to actually have a look what these samples look like. So here's the various samples, and here's another one. This was one of the crust samples of the first locality. This was a tephra sample close to the between the first and second locality, and then here was glassy salvages, these very glassy upper kind of parts from the first sample site. Here's the second sample site, the big chunk that was really kind of warm and was steaming away, where we made tea, and you see the, well, volcano tea, and you see the nice crystals in there, beautiful rock. And then this was another crusty bit from the first locality yesterday. And let's see, there should be a label here. Yeah, so here we are. So, and they're a little wet because we cooled them down, so this is why they're lying out. This is a sample Ariana took on August 10th, and this was in the morning, and then the lava edge, this particular one, was covered later that day. So this sample is a special sample because we can't retrieve it anymore, so there's no opportunity for sampling this again. So this is the liquid samples that we took yesterday, and here is yeah, the scoopy form still there, and here's another one. They're very dense, they're very intriguing, and maybe I should have taken a little more, I wonder, but yeah, here we are. So this is a quenched one. It's almost like experimental petrology, so I think this is really intriguing. And there we have them crystals, of course, as well. And here we also see the shape of the spoon, the scoop. So this was the liquid quench sample, and there is a sample number, of course, as well. And then this is also from the liquid quench, and this is smaller pieces, and they will be useful for grinding up and making a powder analysis for several types of analysis. This will be very advantageous, so we're keeping this as well. So, and of course, then there's the big bag with tephra that we collected in the afternoon on the other side of the valley. And this is beautiful tephra, but I won't kind of take it out. So this is for example, for fluid inclusion analysis, and of course for glass analysis as well, for sulfur in glass, etc., etc. So, and it says here, do not touch. These samples are drying, and hopefully people will do that, and they will now be entered to the big sample list for the continuous sampling that we have done, or the team has done over the last while, and these samples will contribute to this effort. So thank you very much, and a last look at these beautiful rocks, and I close with saying thank you very much, all the very best, talk very soon.